So this is our last day in Bellevue, the only five-star resort in Panglao Island. But you're looking at the map. The blue means that's where Bellevue is, and it's right across Cebu. So if you have a boat, you can actually go scuba diving or see the whale shark in Sumilon Island. Yes, it's island hopping in the Philippines. So thank you, Mama Berna, for my coffee. Just finished having coffee every morning. Today is low tide, and even if it's low tide, you can still see a beautiful beach where there are no very hard stones or corals that will hit your foot while walking in the sand. Yes. Normally, pagka low tide, naku, naglalabasan yung mga corals, no? Na masakit maglakad. But here, everything looks good. At mamaya, dadaan tayo dyan sa pier na yan. Tingnan natin kung pwede mag-snorkeling. Yes, it's a very beautiful view from my room. And it's nice to wake up because we are not against the light. So yung island na yan, if I'm not mistaken, that's Cebu. Yes, island in front must be Cebu already. And every day I get to see the kois. Kahapon, on that right side, nagkaroon ng wedding. Pwede rin pala mag-wedding dito. Okay, that's my cup of coffee, and ito na yung mga nakasabit namin damit because we're gonna stay 3 more nights in Henan. Yes, we have a very big room with a big king-size bed. Yan, si Mama Berna, dadalhin yung aking mask. Thank you, Mama Berna. It's breakfast time here at the Lamyan Modern Filipino Cuisine. Salad. Masarap yan, Mama Berna. Piping hot. Kari-karing gulay, Mama Berna. Healthy. Fish Florentine. Ah, it looks good. Bacon. Ito, subukan ko. Mukhang masarap. Pork. Humba. Alright. Ambil, thank you ha. Ayan, pinagpalit niya yung mga upuan. Good service talaga rito sa Bellevue. At least, masipag mga waiter. O si Jelia. Salamat sa chocolate, Jelia ha. Wow. Good service talaga ang Bellevue. So we'll enjoy this view while we're having breakfast. Yan ang masarap. Pinakamasarap dito yung outdoor, lalo na yung yung danggit. Saan yung danggit? Ayun, no? Ayan, the best. Yan ang the best, danggit with suka. Ito, si Chef magsasara na. No, magsasara na si Chef. Oh, Mama Berna, let's go to the swimming pool area. Yung mga kois, ang dami nila. Only here at Bellevue. Yes, magaganda itong mga kois dito, oh. Good quality kois, oh. Hindi to ordinary kois, eh. High-end kois to mga to, oh. Makikita mo, oh, kasi yung katawan nila, may mga black spots, hindi lang isang color. Talagang napakarami. Wow. Only here if you come to this resort. Ang malalaki, matataba. So they put a lot of seating area to enjoy the kois. This is the very beautiful Bellevue. Everything with balcony. So we're gonna chill out for a while. Dahil busog pa kami. Daming coconuts. has an infinity pool, and in front is the beach. Towels for the beach? Okay, I'll get one. Ayan, para maka-chill out kami. So this is their restaurant, and this is where we always have our cocktails. That particular, dyan sa area niyan. Lagi ni Berna. Let's go, Mama Berna. So let's see if we can chill out in the beach. Okay, smile, Mama Berna. Yan, mas maganda kasi kita na yung kagandahan ni Mama Berna. Oh, smile. Oh, smile. Okay, smile. Okay. Just to show to you, the beach is really very, very wide. Alam nyo, kung i-compare nyo yung beach dito compared sa Alona, dito tahimik, oh. Wala masyadong mga tourist. Yes, grabe ang Alona. Masyado nang marami mga turista doon. At hindi ka na talaga mag-enjoy, no? Sa dami nila. At doon pag low tide, halos wala ka ng beach. Kinakain ka ng tubig. But here, as you can see, it's low tide, but it's still okay. Dito lang kailangan madagdagan ng mga sunbeds. No, hindi pala, umbrellas. Kasi panay sunbeds, talagang magpapaitim ka na lang talaga dyan. Pero it's good kung meron silang mga umbrella para you have a choice. But you can always go to this side of the beach and reserve your own umbrella. Alright, so you can see the whole resort. It's just backlighted, but at least you have an idea if you want to stay here at Bellevue and enjoy the serenity, the ambience, and just walk in the beach every morning. Ayan, no? Kung meron kang boat, pag low tide, ayan, you can just walk yung sa floating pier and meet the boat from there if you want to go scuba diving. Okay, it's chill out time here at the Bellevue Resort, the only 5-star in Bohol.